Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not charging. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone is not charging, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to check that your iPhone charging port is not physically damaged. If your iPhone charging port is damaged, so you just have to try to exchange your iPhone charging port. Or if your charging port is not damaged and you are still facing the same issue, so it might be that it's a software glitch. You just have to simply open your settings app here, then go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. Also try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection to update your software. And after updating your software, you have to go back and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not true that you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app again, and here just go for battery and then go to charging. You have to enable this optimized battery charging feature and go back, go to battery health. You have to make sure that your battery health is more than 85%. If your battery health is less than 85%, so I recommend you have to try to exchange your iPhone's battery. So after that, you have to simply go back from here and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to reset all of your settings. Sometimes it might be that your iPhone setting has disturbing your iPhone charging, so you can easily fix by resetting your settings. So open your settings app. Here go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset all settings. The confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings. If there will be an issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixing the step and you'll not get the issue again. But in any case, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to open Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your app store or you can use Apple Support web. Here select your iPhone, then select this more option and select charging. Now just wait for this loading here and then select get more help. Then tap on call us. After that you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get optional help from there. After that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.